Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Ideapad. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Ideapad only charges when you hold the cable at a certain angle, you're likely dealing with a faulty charging port. This issue often stems from wear and tear or damage to the port itself. If left unchecked, it can lead to further complications, potentially leaving your device completely unable to charge. To carry out this repair, you'll need a set of precision screwdrivers, a plastic opening tool, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement charging port compatible with your Lenovo Ideapad. Begin by ensuring your device is powered off and unplugged. Then, using the plastic opening tool, carefully insert it into the seam of the Ideapad's casing. Gently pry the casing apart, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. Once the device is open, locate the charging port. It should be situated near the power connector on the motherboard. Inspect it for visible damage or debris that may be causing the connection issue. To replace the charging port, disconnect any cables attached to it, noting their positions for reassembly. Use your precision screwdriver to remove the screws securing the charging port in place. Apply gentle pressure as you lift out the old port, ensuring you do not damage surrounding components. When installing the new charging port, reverse the process, position it correctly, reattach the screws, and reconnect any cables. It's crucial to ensure everything is securely fastened to prevent further issues. Once you've replaced the port, carefully reassemble the device by snapping the casing back together. Power it on to check if the charging issue is resolved. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, be sure to handle your charging cable with care and avoid yanking it out from the port. Additionally, regularly check for debris in the port that could hinder the connection. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.